Let's take it across to co-CEO at the company. That's Jim Hagemann Snabe. He joins in all the way from Germany. Many thanks, Jim, for taking time out for us. And we, of course, appreciate this exclusive. Congratulations on your third quarter earnings. How was the quarter panned out for you guys?
Yeah, we are delivering yet another very strong quarter from SAP. If you look at the quarter financially, you'll see that we are growing our revenue in software and cloud by, again, double digits, 13% at constant currency, which means we're growing twice as fast as our main competitor. And secondly, we're also expanding our operating income by 15%. So financially, a very strong quarter. I think what's most important about the quarter is that it's also strategically a very strong quarter. We see the growth in the cloud at 162%. And we see the growth in our super fast database, HANA, the in-memory database, which are both strategic areas where we are taking the lead in transforming the entire industry. So all in all, we're very pleased with the quarter.
What's your guidance then for the coming quarters?
Yeah, we have reiterated our guidance for the full year, which means we continue to believe that we can be one of the few double-digit growth companies in the industry. So we have confirmed our belief that we will deliver at least 10% growth in software and software-related services for the full year. We've also reiterated our guidance on the operating income to be 5.85 to 5.95 million euros. So again, very strong billion euros. Sorry, a very strong confirmation on our ability to manage costs. And most importantly, maybe, we are reconfirming our cloud goal of 750 million euros and our HANA goal to be between 650 and 700 million for the full year. So we are firm, and we see we are winning in the market in all regions.
Jim, do you have any plans for expansion, or what are your further investment plans regarding India? And also tell us about your current business environment which you are conducting in India.
We continue to see India as one of the key markets in Asia, of course, together with China. We went very early to India. As you know, we've been in India for more than 20 years. We have more than 6,000 people in India. We are developing a lot of our solutions in India. And we will continue our investments in India, not just because we get great talents to join the company and help us innovate at high speed, but also because India remains a very, very interesting market to help companies globalize. We see strong growth rates in the new technologies in India, for instance, mobile, very strong growth rates in a country that's now mobilized like very few countries are. And we are seeing, of course, the cloud as well becoming a preferred way of consuming software also in India. HANA plays a major role in India, as you can imagine, with the enormous amounts of data that companies in India have to manage.
Jim, how are you witnessing the technology spends shaping from here on? That's a key indicator, especially with Eurozone and the US markets recovering. Has there been any change in the IT spends?
Yeah, we see an increased spend again in Europe and Americas, at least for SAP. Not everyone in our industry is growing, but we are definitely growing rapidly. 17% growth in Americas is a good sign that companies are investing in market-leading technology. And 14% growth in Europe is also a very strong sign that even in the most mature market, SAP is more relevant than ever and becoming the strategic partner of our customers.
What's your outlook then as far as the technology sector is concerned for the next 2 quarters?
We feel that technology will be in the heart of making companies and public sector more efficient and more innovative. And we believe that the total IT investments may not go up, but the share which is going into software will definitely go up. Now, being the market leader in business software, that means that we see a sustainable growth opportunity for SAP as the market leader, but also the fastest innovator in our industry.